From a single image to a full video, it's that easy. For even smoother, more controlled transformations, upload both your first and last frames. Craft video frame by frame. You set the beginning and the end, and Vidio animates the incredible journey in between. Bringing your story to life is 3 simple steps. 1. Upload your first and last frames. Add an image to the first frame slot to set the opening scene. Add an image to the last frame slot to define the final shot. 2. Craft your prompt. Describe the action or transformation that connects your 2 frames. What happens on the journey from start to finish? 3. Click Create. Hit the button and watch Vidio bridge the gap, generating a dynamic video that connects your 2 moments. Once your video is ready, click Recreate for instant variations. Use Upscale to enhance resolution. Use frame extraction to export keyframes or apply them as reference images for recreation instantly. Happy creating! For more tutorials, feel free to explore our user guide.